against everybody else out here, dog. Y'all feel that? When you by yourself, how you gonna act, dog? How you gonna step up to adversity, dog?
It's about proving something, man. These guys teams that thought they were too good for us. They wouldn't give us a shot, right? They wouldn't give us a shot. Show them they're ready to death. Show them they missed out. They missed out on this good.
Let's go. Great motor, man. Great motor. Hey, we execute, right? Great effort, great emotion. Hey, no change of speeds, right? No change of speeds today.
Hey, this is all kind of football right here, right, baby?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Take it to them on every play. Starts from the jump. You got me? Let's go.
You think this ain't football with a dog? You need to play basketball, dog. It's a great day to play some football, man. Let's go.
Let's go dominate this game, baby. Right from the kickoff, we're taking it to them. Let's go. 1 on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Snap back to Kaiser, wanted to run, and he is fenced in and dropped inside the 5. 16, and a quick one out to the right. This time is caught by Cam Phillips, and look at that jitterbug move, which will give him the space to streak into the end zone. Touchdown.
Hey, bro, I knew that was coming, bro. Hey, PP1 that. Every single play the next play. Let's go 1-0.
Second half or half, man. Let's go. Second half or half. Let's go.
And the handoff is to Stephen Peoples, lunging for the end zone. He's in there. Touchdown.
I don't want this corner right here. I'm telling you. We got them right where we want. They're on their heels. Just step on their foot, man. Let's go.
Mano a mano and a much smaller defender. And here comes the fade to Bucky. And Bucky, despite being pulled down, makes the catch anyway. Touchdown. Near corner. Bucky HUGE.
You got anything, if it's flat, you look to me. If they go anything across it, the best you got me?
It's for Kaiser. Hokies rush just 2 and get there anyway to sack Kaiser back at the 23-yard line. Kenny Canham.
That was a great play from McCann. That was a 2-man rush.
Hey, I knew you was gonna get home on your get off, bro. I knew you was gonna get home. Get it, baby. Let's go, baby.
Let's go get the coastal. Let's go get it. Let's go.
That's how you keep chopping. You never look back, baby. You never look back. How about those Hokies? Hell yeah, man.
Sir, man. They tested us. Okay? They tested us. They tested your belief in each other. They tested your toughness. They tested your discipline. And you met the challenge every single time. Yeah!